And also keep in mind for self-defense. Right? Whenever I do stuff, right, I can strike as well before I go into a
Yes, sir.
right? So that's the beauty of judo. That's, you can also, once you're done practicing this part, and you get this part, and you get to this part, you can also practice your other martial arts, right? Right? Or even your jujitsu. All right, so just keep that in mind while you're practicing. All right, let's go over another one. This one's going to be even more simple than that one. I was testing you guys. All right, we're going to do kind of the same thing, except we're not going to redirect the energy back this way. We're going to keep the energy going that way. So he's going to do another strike to me. I'm going to block it just like I did before. And this hand is going to almost clothesline. All right, look at how his body is going backwards. Right? If I continue moving, he would have to continue stepping backwards so he doesn't fall. Right? We're going to stop those little baby steps. All right? He goes up, punch. I'm in. All right? Notice how I stepped already with my movement. So I don't want to do this and then this step and then step is too late because now he's bearing forward. All right? All right. Again, tight. Boom. All right? I stepped forward already. My momentum's going forward. His is going backwards, which is exactly what I need. And then I'm just going to tap that leg. All right, attack that leg with just a little tap. All right? All right, okay. Now in judo, it's way more dynamic than that. Because when I sweep, I'm going to sweep like, sweep is like way up in there. Right? But for the sake of Sensei Stephen, and just safety, I'm just going to tap this leg by like bringing my leg up. Right? So kind of like sweeping it back. What you don't want to do is stop the leg. I don't want to do this and then try to push him over because you don't have to be Tony Stark to just step out of it. Right? It doesn't take a genius. All right, so instead, I'm going to sweep this leg back like, right?
What's this technique Sensei called?
This is called Osotogari, major
Osotogari.
outside reach. All right, major meaning it's a big step. Outside meaning I'm going to the outside of his body, and reach meaning I'm sweeping that leg back. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
All right.